With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Our question is the variation of vapor pressure of different liquids with temperature is shown in figure. Our question is pressure cooker is used for cooking food at hill station. Explain the terms of vapor pressure. Why is it so? First we know about that what is vapor pressure and atmospheric pressure. The pressure exerted by vapors of liquid on the surface of liquid when equilibrium is established between liquid and its vapor. This is called vapor pressure. Okay, and what is atmospheric pressure? Atmospheric pressure is the pressure exerted by pressure. Okay, and what is atmospheric pressure? Atmospheric pressure is the pressure exerted by gas particles in Earth's surface, in Earth's atmosphere, as those particles collide with object. Okay, this is atmospheric pressure. And now, why pressure cooker is used for cooking food at hill station? A liquid boils when vapor pressure of liquid becomes equal to atmospheric pressure. Okay, on hills, water boils at low temperature because atmospheric pressure is low at high altitude. But when pressure cooker is used, the vapor pressure of water is increased, due to which water boils at even low temperature within a short period of a time. That's why pressure cooker is used for cooking food at hill station. Okay.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.